Anyone else feeling useless because of GPT models? I consider myself to be a creative person. I like to create stuff. Whether it was stupid let's plays when I was a kid or articles about certain topic. Since GPT I feel depressed that there is no please for me anymore and everything can be automated. No, because it doesn't take long to realize GPT's creativity gets pretty repetitive and you slowly start to realize its limits. Don't feel depressed. Instead, you should feel excited. For the first time in history, you can have an unpaid assistant for your creative stuff that will deliver you results within seconds. Plus, as AI becomes more implemented and mainstream, I think human work is going to go up in value and will be considered extra valuable compared to the hordes of AI content that will flood the market. This is my guess. Anyways, I think people will pay extra and rich folks will go out of their way to get things created by other humans instead of AI. I'm a creative type and I'm thrilled. Generative AI basically just amplifies your pre-existing artistic abilities. It's okay to be useless. Categorical imperative. Second formulation, people are ends in themselves, not just means. You still have a lot of value to contribute. Think of it like a symbiotic relationship. Presently, GPT is useless without a person and its output is heavily dependent on the quality of. I'm feeling even better with ChatGPT. I know I can do things in seconds that would take me all day with the right prompts. Facts, dude. Ever since I was 13, I was passionately learning web development, and after ChatGPT I just dropped it completely and felt useless considering it do the work that I do, like writing JS code much faster and more precisely. But IDK man, I still think that there always will be things that machines are incapable of doing and need human involvement. Nope. This lobotomized thing is just a tool. It's like a spray and template for a painter. Will it kill art? No more than paint spray killed jobs of artists and painters. Use it. Embrace it. Although ChatGPT is brain-dead now, I use it mostly for programming tasks. And I absolutely does not feel threatened. Even it writes me some code. It's just a tool. Use it wisely. GPT models are a godsend for creatives. Every idea, everything you have ever wanted to do but couldn't because it would take too much time to learn, you can now do. It's a tool. Use it to write, draw, brainstorm, code, whatever, but a tool is only as good as the person using it. No, because working alongside and using ChatGPT to augment your creativity is extremely powerful. I feel empowered as a creative person. I have so many ideas written down but never have the time to build them. But now I feel some new level just get unlocked. I can make all of my ideas happen in a relative shorter time frame. GPT is just a tool. It can't create on its own unless you prompt them. And their fragmented creation can't be put together to serve a bigger goal without you. Not even close. Spending a couple hours with it as a software developer reassures me, if anything, that AI ain't coming close to my job for a long while. Lol. GPT's creativity ability. Even GPT-4 runs out incredibly quickly in anything but the most ideal of situations. At best, it's a great tool for finding answers without having to scour Google Stack Overflow for a couple of hours. At worst, it's totally useless, doesn't know a thing about what it's spitting out. ChatGPT is a tool, like a brush, keyboard, etc. If you are talented, it's no matter. If you are not, it's no matter either. Just relax and live your best life. Imagine you feel depressed because of personal computer. Ridiculous. Past, do PC steal any job? Even it create many jobs. First most developing country oppose the PC adaptation. Look at today. will create more job and human reach to next level of development in every field. AI models are no match for human creativity. Consider corporate guardrails and the inability to truly invent something. Human creativity is always superior. Since when did an AI model ever write a clever allegory regarding socioeconomics with multiple layers of humor unprompted? There is going to be a lot of depression coming. LLMs are only the tip of iceberg. Semi-conscious AGIs won't be that far off. I mean, human extinction is a given anyway. But I would have rather not seen it in my lifetime. Not even a little bit. No, I'm feeling way more empowered actually. That's not intelligent stuff there. GPT is my pair programmer. Adapt. People that are skilled at their writing jobs won't be replaced easily by ChatGPT as of the current model. It produces really mediocre texts. Definitely readable but nothing more. So up your writing skills and there you go. Fuck no. ChatGPT cuts out the noise for me. Helps me create better things. If you are using its existence as an excuse to not create, that is on you. It's a tool that can be used to enhance your creations. No, I am a programmer. It can be helpful and it is often wrong by mistakes in interpretation. It also can't create. It can only suggest and combine what it is given. Furthermore, in my specific area of expertise, I found myself ahead of GPT productions. As commented by other users, GPT is a cheap yet extraordinary productive assistant in my job or activities. ATM the only works that could become obsolete because GPT are brainless and mechanical ones, such as news article spam or low-effort social media posting. Not really. Remember that GPT models are limited to what they are trained on. Humans have an unlimited, unrestrained potential. You can always use GPT models to do menial and/or repetitive tasks so that you'll have more time actually creating new stuff. You just have to embrace the change and adapt included in your creativity. Else, you will keep on being depressed and what's worse, you are in risk to be left behind. I can create even cooler stuff than ever before. My creativity is through the roof. And I actually need to step away often because of how much I am taking on. Could never be me lol. Seriously. If it has made you irrelevant, then you're either underestimating your abilities, or you were just a dime a dozen available on Fiverr anyway. GPT is a tool. It can help you get ideas. It can help you rewrite things and plenty of other things. But if you're even pretty decent at your job, you shouldn't be worried, but instead see it as something that can help you avoid the boring parts of the job or make you more efficient and productive. ChatGPT's opinion. I understand your concerns, but remember that GPT models are tools to assist and enhance human creativity, not replace it. While they can generate content, they lack the genuine personal touch, unique experiences, and emotional depth that only you can bring to your creations. Embrace GPT as a collaborator, using it to spark ideas, refine your work, and explore new horizons. Your creativity is irreplaceable and has the power to connect with others in ways that technology never can. Keep pushing your boundaries and don't underestimate the value of your authentic creativity. The new human condition. All hail AI. Nah. Like many others said, GPT creativeness is not that great. It more or like keep using the same formula and repeats the thing you input, adding pretty basic stuff. I'm writing the lore for my video game. I tried GPT on a couple of points I was stuck with and got no useful nor creative outputs.